Good morning, students. Today I am going to start lesson number 2 of your reader book, that is A Cup of Cha. Before we read the chapter, here are a few popular snacks that we have with tea in India. Take the help of the words in the box and write their names in the space provided. Here are some names given, some snacks names given. We have to write here. Okay? What is this first one? What is this? Yes, this is rusk. We like to eat with tea. Okay, this one is, everyone's favorite, samosa. Yes, what is this? This is pakoda that we love to eat in rainy season. Yeah, isn't it? Yeah. This one is Morocco. Write the name Morocco. Okay, this is kachori. Yes, now everyone's mouth filled with water. You all want to eat, no? But due to lockdown we are not getting it, no? Okay, no problem. Tell your mother to make it for you. This is dhokla. Okay, yeah, very good. Now we will start the chapter. What is this? Read this story to know about Meera's wonderful experience with tea. This story is about Meera, who is going up the hills with her mother and father, and she is talking about her wonderful experience with tea. See, Meera runs up the hill, past the river and the trees. Where she is going? She is going up the hill and she is walking and she crossed the river, the trees and all the things in her way. All the way to the top, chasing the clouds, and she is walking and going to top of the hills like she is chasing the cloud. The word chasing means, what is the word chasing means? Running after something to catch up with. When we want to catch something, we have to chase the thing. So, she is chasing the clouds. She climbs up without a stop, and without taking rest, she is continuously walking. Ma Baba, hurry please, before the sun goes to sleep, Meera says. Meera said to her mother and father that please do fast, please walk fast, otherwise sun will set. Sun will go to sleep. Ma says, I love the smell of fresh air. What her mother says? She says that she loves the smell of fresh air. Because in the mountains weather is so pleasant, air is so cool, so we all love the freshness of the air. Meera says, I love the smell of flowers and the crunching sound of fallen leaves under my feet. What Meera says? That she loves the smell of the flower and crunching sound. Crunching means what? The sound of crunching something. You feel that when you put your feet on the dried leaves, it make a sound. This sound is called crunching sound. Or for example, when you chew your food, then when it comes between our teeth, it make a sound. That sound we can also call that it is crunching sound. So she loves the sound of crunching leaves. Baba says, I can also smell something I love. A cup of milky cha. What her father said? That what he loves, he can also feel that smell. And what is the thing? He loves a cup of milky cha, milky tea. Baba sets off to chase the aroma of tea. And what his father did? he feel the smell and chase the aroma of that tea. Aroma means a pleasant smell or odor or any fragrance. When you put some perfume on your dress, you feel a smell, no? Like that. There is a smell of tea also. Those who like tea, they also like that aroma of tea. Okay, so her father loves the aroma of tea and he chased that smell. Can we have 2 cups of tea, please? Asked Baba. And a small cup for Meera, please, says Ma. What her Ma and Baba said? They said to Chai Wala to make 2 cups of tea and a small cup for Meera. Right away, says the Chai Wala Dada. Shik. He lights the stove with a match and places a pan of water on the fire. Then the water gets hotter and hotter, the tiny bubbles get bigger and bigger, and the water starts boiling. Have you seen when your mother make tea in kitchen? When we put a pan or with water, when it gets hotter and hotter, it start boiling, and when it start boiling, it gets some bubbles. Okay, Dada pours some milk into the pan with the boiling water. Then Dada adds some milk in the water to make tea. Ma, see how the milk shares its color with the water, Ma, says Meera. What Meera says? Meera says to her mother that, Mama, please see that it is very beautiful that milk shares its color with water. Now see what happens when the tea leaves are added, says Ma. Then Ma said, Meera, see, when the tea leaves will be added to water or milk, it will leave some color also. Meera patiently waits for 2 minutes and then says in surprise, Oh, it is changing color again. Then Meera is very surprised that tea leaves are leaving its color and mixing with the water and milk. And she very patiently, very calmly standing there and see what happens. Is the tea ready now, Dada? Meera asked. Then Meera asked the chai wala Dada, Dada, is the tea ready? Then what Dada said? Almost ready. Shoo, shoo, shoo. He pours 3 cups of tea through a strainer, leaving behind little piles of sticky leaves. What he do? He pours 3 cups of tea with a strainer. Have you seen a strainer? A strainer is a kitchen utensil with holes used for separating solid from a liquor. You ask your mother will show you the strainer. She pour everyday tea with the help of strainer into the cups, because it leaves behind the little piles of sticky leaves. Okay, what is piles? Heaps of something. When we get something, it leaves something. Finally, he adds sugar. After pouring in the cups, he adds sugar into the cups. At home, this is Meera's job when Ma and Baba make tea. What is Meera's job? Meera loves to add sugar in the cups. She loves the tinkling sound of spoon against the cup, because she loves to mix the sugar with the tea, because it creates a tinkling sound, no? That sound she loves. Meera stares into the cups as the sugar disappears. Meera stares into the cup because see that when we add sugar and we mixed with it, it disappeared. Stares means looks fixedly. When we look at a thing for a long time, it means that we are staring something. And disappear means to be no longer seen, that vanishes. That means when you add something in water, after that means like Glucon D or Rasna you want to drink, then when you mixed in water it disappear, it mixed with the water, that is called disappear. Okay, now it is ready, says Meera. Now what Meera said, that tea is ready now. That what is the chapter said? The whole chapter describes that this is very wonderful that how tea is made. And Meera loves to learn to make tea. Okay, hope you all understand the chapter, and please students, you just underline the words whatever you find it difficult and learn the spellings of the words. Okay, thank you.